Hi! Hi, Zoe! We are vlogging again. Ayan, Al Jamie.
I'm so hot.
It's hot.
Don't hurt us.
Tignan mo, nagpalit ng short, ano. Epic fail.
That's what.
Ayan, we're heading to Center Point. Mag-check ng sale. Tignan natin kung may mabibili tayong mga pang-gift. Pang-pasalubong. Kung hindi mo ma-mindset na. Ang daming sale, pero hindi maka-decide kung anong pang-regalo. Yung mga ganito na straw style, no? Kaso ano maliit.
Mama,
Yeah?
this is like this one but with a bow.
With bow?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Tingnan mo, 19 lang.
Uuso yan
I'm
ngayon.
27.
Ito yung dal.
But that was interesting, right?
This is the one they got for Mimi.
Who?
For her birthday.
Really? Do you think we can get some like this what do you call this one, Geneva?
Do you like my new hat?
Funko Pop.
Mama, look at
That's
my
for
new hat.
Halloween.
Do you like my new hat?
Maybe.
I don't.
I like this Burberry's. It's the
I
same
like
as the
that.
one I have. You like what? Which one?
I like this one. Yeah.
Show me if it looks good on me. But I already have a blue bag in the house.
You look so cute.
Oh, thank you. But I already have a blue bag in the house.
Wait, guys. Look. Mama got this t-shirt. And this is my friend Zoe. Zoe, come back here. I just want them to say hello to you. Oh well, Zoe does not like me vlogging her.
And enough na. May nagustuhan ako sis. Ayan, shopping mode. Charot. Naka-sale kasi. I'm taking this one. It's only $39. Tapos mom jeans. So yeah, push. Sa bags, not today. Hindi tayo magpapabudol ng bags today. Guys, McDonald's is empty. There's not a lot of people today. I don't know what's happening. It's Friday and it's empty. I guess because of the parking. Ang cute, meron silang pa-FIFA World Cup na literal na cup. Ayan. Nice. Make this one. Binibenta mo? Magkano? How much is it? Yeah.
Mindset ba?
Oh, I want to
1 p.m.? Wala.
Sobrang
Something like that.
Sobrang early na lang na.
You're enjoying your food? Ha? Hindi masakit?
Tapos, lalo.
Let's make some blueberry muffins.
We can actually make this one, pero next time na pag may energy.
Mommy, can we make
Matay yung best friend ko.
Ay, bakit?
Namatay.
Meron lang namatay. I will...
Namatay din yung
Dito,
isa.
dito sa LA. Hindi ko alam. Sa Kalayaan daw.
Tumaba ako.
Ah, diba? May mga ganito pa. Bayad ka na.
Hindi pa.
Video ka kasi.
Ano ba yan?
Video.
Ah,
Parang
video.
i-crop ko na lang.
Sige.
Okay,
Kailangan mo lang.
Okay, we pass by Carrefour para kumuha ng mga extra ingredients.